a dry yellow disaster that covers 1/3 of the Earth. A harsh future encroaching upon mankind. Desertification is already affecting us. Desertification. It's the last warning Earth is giving mankind. A barren land where no life can survive. Another disaster brought on by mankind. Forests and farmlands are disappearing every year due to human-induced activities, such as reckless destruction of forests, excessive farming, and grazing. The Earth is slowly turning into a desert. Desertification is threatening all humankind, spreading out worldwide with its increasing impacts on existing deserts and further on other areas. 6 million hectares of land is being desertified every year. As a result, 65 million people are suffering from poverty and disease, and the annual loss in agriculture is reaching $42 billion. Desertification is spreading at an alarming rate, which is more frightening. At this pace, nowhere on Earth is safe. The green wave of hope that will turn the dry desert into moist land again.
지난해 저탄소 녹색 성장을 국가 비전이자 발전 전략으로 채택했습니다.
Korea, with forest power, is planting green life on Earth. Forests are the key to recovering from desertification. Bringing back forests will bring back life, and the vicious cycle of global warming and desertification will be cut off. Thanks to the valuable technologies and experiences of rehabilitating degraded forest over a short period of time, Korea is now sharing its passion and know-how with many Asian nations. From the Korea-Mongolia Greenbelt Project, which is taking place in the widest desertification zone and a source of yellow dust in Asia, to the Forest Ecosystem Rehabilitation Project in China's Kubichi Desert, which is the source of the yellow dust that affects Korea. As a leader of forestation recognized by international society, Korea is supporting the prevention of desertification in Asia's developing nations. These efforts have come to fruition. For the first time in Asia, Korea is set to host the Conference of Parties to UNCCD in 2011. Korea is now sharing its reforestation knowledge and experience with the rest of the world. All we can do for our planet. Think, act, and respond together. The UN Convention to Combat Desertification, UNCCD, enjoy the universal membership with its 193 country parties around the world. It is one of the UN's 3 environmental conventions, adopted at the 1997 Rio Summit to combat desertification, support nations suffering from desertification, and to achieve sustainable development. The first UNCCD COP ever held in Asia will take place in Changwon, Gyeongsang-namdo, Korea in October of 2011, and will let the world know about the current situation in Africa and Asian regions suffering from desertification, and establish the foundation for joint international countermeasures. By returning the support we once received from leading nations, developing nations and international organizations, Korea will demonstrate its green leadership in its efforts to fight desertification. The green hope that was spread across the greater world in 2011. Korea will successfully host the 10th UNCCD COP a first for Asia.